supreme. Looking for a queen, just roll with me. No fetish. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my at-home pedicures, the DIY version. So yeah, this is pretty much everything you'll need besides some cotton pads. I forgot to put that in this clip, but you will need some cotton pads as well. So I just start by taking off my toenail polish, and yes, my feet are so crusty. Please don't judge me, and my hands are ashy, so please please try to look over there. It bothers me watching this, but I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just taking off my toenail polish, and then I'm gonna let my feet soak. And you do want to make sure that your water is kind of warm, and in this case mine was too hot, so I just added some cold water onto it. I did boil me some water for about 3 minutes and then put it in there, so it was like super hot. So yeah, I just kind of let my feet soak in the water. I did this for about 20 minutes. Once I feel that my feet are soft from the water, I go in and I clean my cuticle with this cuticle cleaner that I got from the dollar store. It was $1, so if you don't have one, it's really cheap. Go get you one because you need it in your life. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just pushing back and cleaning my cuticle, and then I clean under my toenail. Y'all, this is so important. Like, if you don't do nothing else, please clean under your toenail. Like, so much dirt and grime get under there, you will be surprised. So yeah, don't forget to clean under your toenail. Also, if you're wondering where I got this little pedicure foot massager bubbly thing from, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, I got it from Walmart. It was about $25, so it's really inexpensive if you want to go get you one. And I hear that these type of videos are supposed to be like relaxing or something, so I'm gonna try not to talk too much. So yeah, you guys can basically just see what I'm doing in the video. So once they're done, I put my feet back in the water for about a minute, and then I let them soak, and that's when I go in with my fingernail clippers just to clip my toenails. I do not like long toenails, like I just don't like it. And if you want more of a square shape, you can go in with a toenail filer, but I'm not really into that look, so I just like them low. So that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, after I clip my toenails, I put my foot back in the water for a few seconds, and then I take them out and use a scrub. This is a scrub I have from Bath & Body Works. It's just something I had in my bathroom. If you have any other kind of scrub, body scrubs, or a DIY scrub, then you can definitely use that as well. All you do is get you some brown or white sugar and your favorite oils, and you're good to go. This is one of my favorite parts of the routine. I love exfoliating. It's just really good to make sure that I remove all of the dead skin cells that build up on the bottom of my feet. So yeah, if you have a lot of dead skin cells, this is very good for you. I would focus mostly on this part. And once that's done, I just run my hands over my feet to get all of the soap off, and then dry my feet with a towel. Okay, y'all, so here's the hard part. Like, I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if you struggle with painting as well, but painting my toes is so hard. Like, I want it to be as smooth as possible, but it never really ends out that way. But my trick for this is to go in at the very end with a Q-tip and some toenail polish remover and get all of the excess paint off the sides of your toes. So that helps me a lot. But yeah, if you have any tips on how to, I don't know, paint your toes better so it doesn't look like this, let me know. As you can see, I'm not a perfect painter, so yeah, I usually have to go over the same toe about 5 times, but it's okay. I like for my toes to be as neat as possible. Going in with multiple coats help with this, and also going in with a gloss on top, I feel like kind of helps. But yeah, that's what I do. I just take my time and go in with my what is this thing? What do you call it? Q-tip. Go in with my Q-tip and then get the excess off. It's very tedious, but it's worth it. So yeah, that's all I do. And if you did notice, I did forget to leave some of to remove some of the paint off the top of my toes, but I did go in and get it off, I promise. Okay, so the last step to my routine is to go in with some coconut oil or coconut butter to make sure that my feet are very, very moisturized. I like to make sure that my feet are moisturized just to prevent cracks or anything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comments. Leave a big thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.